yeah, we got a wild, crazy police chase video for you today. Get that popcorn ready, because you know what time it is. It's time for the legendary, the legendary Civicans out here acting a bona fide fool. That's right, the Honda Civicans out here doing what they love to do. Honduran type of things. Can the boys in blue calm these wild, crazy Civicans down? Or will the Hondurans do what they love to do? Take those mighty, mighty toes, lift them in the air, light them on fire, and walk through the lake of fire and make the boys in blue look like clowns. Let's have a reaction. Action! Let's get sinister. You already know what time it is. It's time for the Civicans to do what they love to do. Is that him right there? They trying to box him in? Oh, they got him off the gate? Hold on now. Is that a Tanger's outlet? What is he out there doing? Stealing at the Tanger's outlet? Man, I used to shop at the Tanger's outlet all the time. This look like the one in Grand Rapids, but I'm pretty sure it's not. Look at him. Yabba dabba doo, body on earth, foot in hell. Here come my tuner toes, devil. I hope you're ready. He in the Honda Civic acting a fool. Yeehaw! He probably been at the Tanger outlets stealing all day. Bring your monster ass back here with all the people's stuff, you thief. He getting busy off the gate. He's out of there. I'm gone. Catch me if you can, copper. I've been stealing all day. This can't be, this ain't the top version Civic though, man. When we gonna get a type R type of chase? That's what I wanna see. But these Civics be getting busy though. I gotta give credit when credit can do. They know how to drive. You know they was stealing. That's the only reason they rushed up on him like that. They was stealing. They probably got called the police on him. Oh, they dropping the spikes on him. Oh, he shook the guy with the spikes. He faked him out Barry Sanders style. He hit him with the Iverson crossover. My man got faked out. That's crazy. Excellent driving. I can't believe he pulled that off. He faked him out. Man, that was a legendary move right there, y'all. Them Civicans know what they doing. The Hondurans are legends. They may not have the speed, but they always got the driving capability. He faked him out real smooth, cool. That boy a legend. You better run, Forrest, run. He dipping though. He definitely trying to get away. He or she, they definitely was stealing though. In my opinion, that's the only reason I think they would rush you at a store and try to box you in. Somebody at the store probably called the police on them. He's out there chilling. Let's see what you can get away. Let's see if your driving ability is as good as your stealing ability, because we already know your stealing ability is good and garbage. Garbatros. You don't know how to steal. Let's see if you know how to control that wheel. Man, that Civic is moving pretty fast, though. For it not to be one of the tippy top ones. That might be a sport, though. I heard those is all right. Oh, he dipping on him. Did he hit the button? He hit the button. He got some Nas in there. That boy run from the truth like Jay-Z. That was a wig, Jay-Z. That was a wig that you had on. Allegedly, Jay-Z had a wig on when he appeared at the little stadium. He had a wig on, allegedly. I gotta say, allegedly. Man, look how far ahead of him he's smoking. Is this a Charger? I know this ain't the super extreme trash. Dipping on him. I know if it's an Explorer, he gonna smoke the Explorer for sure. He gone. He out of there. I don't even see him no more. Do y'all see him? Werewolf Pack, do you see a Honda Civic? Oh yeah, I see him. He way up there though. How is he smoking the cop like this? Are they that fast? So you mean to tell me this look like a Civic Sport? Are they this fast? I didn't know y'all. I'm sorry, Civicans. I ain't know y'all was like this. I knew y'all was nice, but I didn't know y'all was like this. Look at the separation this car has created. Ain't no way. He looking like a scat. What, he got a scat motor in there? He running like Speedy Gonzalez. Yadele, yadele, iba, iba. Do y'all think it's a Pookie in there or a Heck Ookie in there? Cause you know Hector and them love them Civics. Hector and them love them Civics, boy. They will drop a Civic to the ground in a minute. What they call it, cambered? Hold on, why is he slowing down? Oh, that ain't even him. My bad. My 40-year-old eyes, they fooled me. My 40-year-old eyes ain't what they used to be. He definitely holding his own. He trying to get to that dimensional rift. He trying to get to that time portal. Man, that Civic is representing. Man, I gotta give this dude know what he doing. But can he maintain it? Or she? Because you know them ladies love them Civics. You know them ladies love them Civics. Like a baby mama love her baby daddy. She always cheating with her baby daddy, but she expects you to give her the world when her baby daddy gave her nothing but garbage. She wants you to treat her like a lady, but her baby daddy treated her like trash. We gotta make it make sense. Man, he moving in that thing. I'm surprised, man. You know he going to jail. He probably got a car full of stolen merchandise. He been at the Tanger outlet stealing from Zales, Reebok, Nike. He went to Macy's. He been stealing all type of stuff. Is that him? Was that him? Did they just passed? Nah, I'm tripping. I don't know where this is, y'all. And I don't know how fast they going. Believe me, if I could post a speed limit, I would. But I'm assuming he doing every bit of 120. 120 plus easy. He whipping that thing. Is that a telly chopper up there? Oh, they got a chopper on him? Y'all see the chopper up there? Was that a chopper? I can't hear him. I don't know what the cop's saying. I think they got a chopper on him, y'all. A telly chopper, a snitch bird. El Snitchido. I could have sworn I saw a chopper. Am I tripping? Did I not see a chopper? I could have sworn I saw a chopper. Did he go back to the Tanger outlet where he just came from? He's smoking the Charger. He leaving that super extreme trash. Turn that motor off. You can't keep up with him. Man, I did not know them Honda Civics was like that, man. I ain't know, y'all. I did not know. I seen a couple videos, but I thought those was flukes. These are really pretty quick. I almost want to say they fast. But they would be going too far, right? It ain't a Type R, but I know them Type Rs get busy. But if you can't drive a manual, you might as well not even worry about getting a Type R, because I don't think they come in automatics. I think all them Type Rs come in manual. So if you can't drive stick, you don't need to worry about getting a Type R. I think I'm right. Do the Type Rs come in automatics? Werewolf Pack, do Type Rs come in automatics? I'm pretty sure they only come in manual. Now, I could be wrong. I'm not a Honduran, so I don't really know. And I'm definitely not a Civican. I get one for a daily though. Man, he holding his own, y'all. He been riding for 5 days. I don't know what kind of gas tank that bad boy got, but he done had his foot down all the way to hell for 5 days, and he ain't ran out of gas yet. So we know they good on gas. We know they pretty fast. Well, we're gonna take that back. We know they pretty quick, and they got good handling. If you're gonna buy a Honda Civic, I think this is commercial for you. If you're looking to buy a Honda Civic and become a Civican, this is the commercial for you. You know for sure you're faster than a super extreme trash. I can't believe they can't catch him. I'm surprised. I would, man, if somebody would have betted me $1 million that a super extreme trash could keep up with a Honda Civic, I would have bet the $1 million and would have lost. I would have lost $1 million. That is crazy. What is in them little cars? Are they turbo motors? Next time I go do a lot review of Honda, I'm gonna pop that hood. I'm gonna see if it's turbo motors in them. Whoa, wait, whoa, what? Did he crash out? How did that happen? What happened? Oh, he got footy on him. Twin turbo toes. He said, you might get the car, but you'll never catch me. Look at all the tattletales out there telling. Now, hold on now. We can't be mad at the civilians for telling. That is what they supposed to do. They supposed to report the criminal. He did crash into somebody. He could have potentially took a life. So listen here. We can't be mad at the tattletales. We know Officer Bubbly right here wasn't finna chase nobody down. My man, all belly and muscle. He do all upper body. He don't care about the midsection at all. Meet me in the comments. The Civic Knights have done it again. They got away. Listen here. He may have not got all the way in the car, but the car gave him enough time and enough distance between the boys in blue to get away. He put it down. That Civic, listen, I ain't know, y'all. I made a couple Honda Civic videos, but in the back of my head, I always thought in my heart it was a fluke. But today, I got to give credit when credit is due. You Honduruians, the Civic Knights, the branch of the Civic boys, y'all the truth. Y'all definitely the truth. I would have never thought y'all could pull this off. I thought I've been bamboozled and tricked. Check this move out right here though. When he do the legendary shake move on the police, he definitely got busy right here. This is when I say, oh, they got superior handling. Why they gonna try to box him in? They gonna try to hit him with the spike strip. Watch this. Watch the handling. The body control on this bad boy. Look, I'm going this way. Gotcha! Look at that, man. Shout out to the Honduruians, man. The Civicans, man. You did your thing. I definitely got to tip my hat. Listen, I'm sorry. I got to apologize. I am sorry. I did not know y'all got down like this. Straight up the truth. Credit when I didn't expect the car to perform like this. I didn't even expect it to be this fast. It's borderline fast, definitely quick, borderline fast. Acceleration is excellent on this. What I hear, the acceleration. Big shout out to the Honduruians. You did your thing, Thizzle. And with that being said, listen. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification button. And if you can spare a young, needy man named T-Light's World some of those good old-fashioned hype points, I would definitely appreciate it. I would definitely appreciate you showing love by sharing the video. And if you're a werewolf member, if you're a werewolf pack, you gotta like the video. Like this video, share this video, and comment. And if you're looking to get a Honda Civic, this is the video for you. This is the video to show you that the car is great. But with that being said, let me leave you with some positivity. Stop apologizing for being great. Stop hiding your greatness. Stop being ashamed that you be doing your thing. You got to stop that. Listen, just because somebody else ain't on your level and you trying to dumb it down and dim your light, stop doing that. Stop doing that. You earned your position. You earned what you got. You don't have to dim your light for somebody just so they can feel better. If you got to do that for them to feel good, you don't need to be around them. Stop being ashamed of what you worked for. Stop being ashamed that you out here doing your thing. You out here hustling. You out here grinding. You out here making it happen. Stop being ashamed of that. I don't care if it's with your family members or just friends. Stop it. Don't let nobody deny your greatness. Don't let nobody dumb it down. Don't let nobody act like you doing little things when you doing big things. Stop it. You earned this position. You earned your greatness. Embrace it. But with that being said, we don't condone running from the boys in blue, though. We don't condone that. Dumb that down. Stop doing it, Musty. Stop doing it. Why don't you take your butt to the store and get some deodorant before you run from the boys in blue? But, and there is a but, if you are going to be a diabolical, goofy goofball, make sure when you're running, you might want to invest in a budget-friendly Honda Civic.